Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to check Pokemon card prices on eBay. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are trying to see if they're going to get a good deal at a local card shop using eBay. Now this video is also going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But the way to actually do this is that first you want to go ahead and get the card and the card number. So here, for example, we have a Latios 203 from Surging Sparks, and maybe you see it at the shop for $30. How do you know if this is a good deal or not? So what I normally do is that I copy the name and the number of the card, and then I search it up on eBay. So here we're actually going to find the card, and you can see that there's some for 37, 20, and 55. But don't keep those in mind. What actually really matters is that if you go ahead and scroll down, you're going to see this option that says sold items, okay? It's under show only. You want to click on sold items, and this is going to give you the realistic idea of how much these cards are actually selling for. So you can see here that this one here was sold on March 5th for $40 plus $6 delivery. This one here was sold for $41. This one here was sold for $35. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and check for Pokemon prices on eBay. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.